Hey guys, how's it going? This is James from Learn Spanish with James. And if you're watching this, it's because you want to know how to conjugate the verb ver. And I say that almost like a B sound there, ver, meaning to see in Spanish. So here is a full guide, which you can find on learnspanishwithjames.com. You'll find a conjugation table for every single Spanish tense. And what I'm going to do now in under 5 minutes is just take you through each of those tenses and show you how to pronounce each of these ver conjugations. Okay, so here we've got the pronoun, the pronombre, as it's called in Spanish: yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, and ustedes. And here's what they mean in the pronouns column. Okay, so let's start with the present tense, meaning I see, you see, he, she, it sees. Veo, ves, ve. Vemos, veis, ven. And then under each section here, you'll see when we use it, this particular tense, and some examples in context, which you can look at in your own time. Moving on to the preterite, a fixed action. So I saw, you saw, he saw, etc. Vi, viste, vio, vimos, visteis, vieron. Okay. Then we have the imperfect tense. Veía, veías, veía, veíamos, veíais, veían. Okay, so the imperfect tense is I used to see or I was seeing. In English, those are two different things. In Spanish, this is a case of the imperfect tense. So I used to see, veía. I was seeing, also veía. The future tense. So this is one of the easiest tenses in Spanish to learn. We have the infinitive form and we just add our endings, okay, which are, as you can see here. So we have I will see, you will see, veré, verás, verá, veremos, veréis, verán. The conditional, meaning would, I would see, vería, verías, vería, veríamos, veríais, verían. Then we have the perfect tense, where we have to conjugate the auxiliary verb haber, meaning to have, and then place our past participle here. So we have has, a, hemos, habéis, han. And then we have visto, or in South America, you'll hear visto more, but in Spanish, it's like visto, almost like a B, meaning seen. So I have seen, you have seen, he, she, or it has seen, etc., etc. Okay. The pluperfect, I had seen. So we keep seen being visto. This always means seen. This won't change. But what we're doing here is conjugating the verb haber. So we have había visto, I had seen. Habías visto, había visto. Habíamos visto, habíais visto, habían visto. So they had seen, habían visto. This is our pluperfect tense, okay? Then we have the future perfect. This is I will have seen, you will have seen, etc. So we have habré, habrás, habrá, habremos, habréis, habrán, followed by visto in each case. Okay, then we have the conditional perfect. Remember, the conditional tense is would. Habría visto, I would have seen. Habrías visto, habría visto. Habríamos visto, habríais visto, habrían visto. Okay. What you're also going to find within this guide is some info about the present subjunctive and how to use it. I can't explain this within the time frame here, but here you will have your subjunctive endings, so the conjugation of ver in the subjunctive form when we use it, with examples, as well as the imperfect subjunctive, which is our past form. And you're also going to find here when to use the affirmative form of ver and the imperative form of the affirmative imperative, like look, like ve, or veamos, like let's look at something, and also our negative imperative when we say no, followed by the correct form. Okay, so have a look and familiarize yourself. You're also going to see a link that will take you through to a recommended course called Spanish with Nate, which you'll find on the guide right here. So take a look at that as well. It's a great way to learn Spanish and conjugations.